Today's tutorial on taxfriendonline.com is alimony paid deductions. What is alimony paid? Alimony is payments made from one spouse to another following a divorce or separation agreement, also known as spousal support. Whatever you pay as alimony to another spouse is tax deductible. Now this is the alimony paid deductions checklist at taxfriendonline.com, and this is a real short checklist because there are no limitations. Basically, all money paid towards an alimony can be deducted. So the checklist: are your payments made to your spouse or former spouse under a divorce decree or separation agreement? And if you say yes, then that alimony can be deducted. Now I want you to note, the recipient of the alimony, your spouse or former spouse, must report that as income. So if what they report as income and what you report as a deduction is different, that's a big red flag to the IRS to audit you. So be sure to dot your I's and cross your T's. It is very essential that you thoroughly document all your alimony paid. Now you could document it in a notebook, in an Excel file, whatever method that you use. It should have several key elements. The first is a check number. Second is the address where the check was sent. Third of all, a copy of the cash check. And remember, in the memo section, write what the alimony payment is supposed to cover. Now if you're paying with cash, get a receipt from the other person with a signature showing that they actually received the alimony. It is important to keep your records a minimum of 3 years, but many experts say keep your records forever because you never know when you may have to go to court and prove these things. So now that we went over what an alimony is, requirements for filing the alimony deduction, and some important bookkeeping records, I'm going to show you how to claim the alimony paid deduction on the Form 1040. Now at the end of the year, you're going to go through all your records and receipts, tally up the total alimony paid for the year, and then you want to go to the Form 1040, and in the adjusted gross income section on the first page of the 1040, let's see here, Box 31A, it says alimony paid and recipient social security number. So whoever you paid the alimony to, you want to input their social security number right here. And I'm just going to make up a fake social security number here. And then if you go over Box 31A, you enter the total amount of alimony paid. So in this case, let's say we paid about $1,200 in alimony for the year. And that's basically it. That's how you deduct the alimony paid.